Hey friends, I just blogged about a nude lip and I just wanted to show you how I put it on and my favorite products. So one little trick that helps a nude lip look more dramatic and last a little longer is to put a little concealer on your lips before applying the lipstick. And this is my Tarte Creaseless concealer, and I'm just going to put just a little bit of this on before I start putting on the nude lip. It doesn't take much. You just pat it in and it fills in the lines and it just gives you more of a flat palette, and it's a little tacky as well. Now, the lip liner. The two favorites that I have are both Sephora, and this is my favorite. This is the Nudest, N-U-D-E-S-T, and it's just a very nude lip pencil. And then this one is Let's Get Lost, and you can tell they're very similar. This one has more of a peach to it, but I'm going to use the Nudest because it is my favorite, and it's almost out, so I hope that it will work. Okay, yeah, barely. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, we have the liner, and now I'm going to show you my favorite nude lipsticks. Too Faced has all three of my favorites, and they're very reasonable price point, about $22. But Too Faced Nude Beach and Naked Dolly. Naked Dolly is the lightest. I don't have that one in here today, but this is Nude Beach. It's just a smidge darker than Naked Dolly. And this is the one I'm gonna show y'all today. But this is also Too Faced, and this is fairly new, but this is called Strip Search. And this is a more matte lipstick, but it lasts a long time, and I really like this as well. And actually, I'll put both of these out to show you how close they are. And actually, I'll just use this one because this is newer, and I know you can find this in Ulta, and not sure, the Naked Beach and the Nude Beach and Naked Dolly, sometimes I have to go online for them. But we'll put this on. Okay. See, that's just a very soft, subtle nude. Okay, and then to top it off, I have three fabulous glosses that finish the look. One of them, which is my absolute favorite, isn't with me because my teenagers always take it, so don't have it, but it is Buxom White Russian. It's fabulous. It has a little tingle when you put it on, and it's just a very light, nude, dramatic gloss. I love it. It's my favorite, and I'm very sorry that I don't have it here. A very close second to that is the Bare Minerals, and this is Far Out. I'm going to just show you. This is just a very soft nude gloss, but it does add just a little drama and give you a really, it really pops. Now, I don't know what this is going to look like when I put this on top of this, but this is melted, and this is sort of a matte, opaque, it's like a liquid lipstick. So if you really want some drama and you really want to stand out as having a nude lip, you would put this on, and this is how it looks over this. It makes it a little more matte, just a little more nude. So I have all of these and I just use them interchangeably, but this is just a great, easy, subtle look that I do when I want a nude lip. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out through social media or through familysavvy.com. And thanks so much for stopping by, and have a blessed day.